Hello.
This is Sureka.
Yeah.
We are calling from Cognizant. I hope you know today
Okay.
your interview is scheduled, right? Shall we start?
Yeah.
Shall we start now?
Okay.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sureka Kande. I'm 25 years old. I belonging to Andhra Pradesh state and I'm living in Giddalur. Coming to my family profile, I have 4 members in my family: my father, mother, me, and one younger brother. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and my younger brother is studying. Coming to my education profile, I have done my SSC in Board of Secondary Education from Andhra Pradesh with an aggregate of 77%. I have done my intermediate in State Board of Intermediate Education from Andhra Pradesh with an aggregate of 67%. I have done my D.Ed in Diploma Education from Andhra Pradesh with an aggregate of 85%. I have completed my Bachelor Computer Science degree from Vikram Simhapuri University, Nellore with an aggregate of 8.5 GPA. I have choose computer Bachelor Computer Science because I believe that I have seen the good opportunities this field. So overall, I have a consistent percentage in my academic profile, and I am happy to get this percentage, and it proved me self-motivated and consistent person I am. Coming to my technical skills, I have good knowledge in Java standardization basics like object-oriented programming and collection framework concepts. I have basic knowledge in XML and HTML. I have good knowledge in database concepts like CAD operations. I have good knowledge in aptitude and reasoning skills. I am also AMCAT certified. Ability to work in team as well as independently. Ability to learn technologies quickly through instruction and self training. Coming to my academic year project, there is my project name is hotel management. My role is like developer. This project duration time period is 6 months. We can use this project to software requirement Windows XP 7 or 8, database Oracle 9i, front-end tool Visual Basics, language Visual Basic 6.0. There are several drawbacks in the hotel management exiting system. The total work will be done. Maintaining is the papers and accounts and written in books. The maintenance of the accounts and written in books, they will be charged to the clerk, use duplicate bills and thief money. This project proposed system is a fully automated system. The completely work will be done using helping of the computer with the forms. The data is stored permanently. We can get day wise and monthly wise purchase and sales reports. The data is stored permanently. The data is accessing very easy. My hobbies. I have participated in many cultural events during my school and college days. In my free time is enjoying going out with friends, and I also enjoy watching movies and listening to music and reading to books. That's all from me. Thank you once again.
Okay, Sureka, I saw your profile in your intermediate. After intermediate, you have done diploma in education. But why you are not going in that field, in teaching field? You are coming. You are after in diploma in education. You have done the BSc computer. Is there any specific reason you are doing after completion of diploma in education also you are doing the BSc computer?
No, I have any specific reason. I have do entrance, diet set entrance exam. You can write the after a completed intermediate. So I will good rank to the diet set. So I will join to teacher field. So but I realized after completed my D.Ed, I'm not interested in teacher field.
No, before you are doing diploma in education, you written entrance right after intermediate.
Yeah,
Yeah, at the time you don't know you are interested or not interested in diploma in education.
no, I'm not any idea. So I will. I will join to. I got the best rank, so I will join the diploma in education.
You are not written any MSET or MSET exam like similar exams after completion of intermediate.
No,
Now you are interested in software field. Is it correct?
yeah.
How you are interested now in software field?
My cousin is also software field. He's explained them Java programs and in free time. So I am interested in software field.
Okay, in diploma in education and software engineer, there is no relationship. Is there any point of view? Is both are is any area is useful for software sector? You know in that you know some knowledge about that one. Is there some area it is useful or not?
No, it is a different field and teacher field and software field.
Okay. You are yeah you are mentioning in your resume. I saw in technical section YAMCAT
Yeah.
COCUPS is qualified. And which YAMCAT means what is this one?
AMCAT is a several companies is a type and freshers and good opportunity jobs in IT sector in platform.
Okay. Tell me something about OOPS concepts.
OOPS means object oriented programming language. Class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. There are concepts are called OOPS concepts. You can explain this each one.
Yeah, you can continue.
Class. Class is a modular blueprint for creating the object. It does not exist really. For example, dog, flower, tree, and etc. Second one, object. An object is declared inside the class and it exists really in the world. An object contains properties and actions. Key properties be represented by variables and actions can be represented by methods. Abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to user. For example, sending messages and through mobile we have just to typing the messages and just click on the send button. I have don't want any about this internal process how the message will reach to the customer. So abstract lets you focus on object does it that does instead on how it does it. Encapsulation, it is a mechanism where the data and the code the data act on the data will binding together. For example, you have a take this class, we return the variables and methods inside the class. So class is binding together. So class is one example of encapsulation. Polymorphism, it is allows to perform various operations by using same variables or method name. A method call can perform different tasks depending on the type of object. Polymorphism is a two types: static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Next one, inheritance. It creates new classes from existing classes so that new classes will acquire all the features from the existing classes is called inheritance. The main advantage of inheritance is called reusability of the code. Inheritance is one of the major concept of the program. That's all about the OOPS concept.
Okay. You know what is card operations? You are mentioning in resume card operations. What is card operations mean? Are you hear my voice?
Yes.
Tell me that one.
I can't understand. Once again, repeat the question.
Yeah, in your resume, you are mentioning I have a solid knowledge in DBMS concept like card operations, right? What is card operations? What is meant by card operations?
Mm, card operations means DML commands. DML means data manipulating languages. DML is contain four types of concepts. DML means data manipulating language. Select, update, delete, insert. First one, insert. Using the command, we can insert the record into the exiting table. We can insert the records into the table. Two methods: exlip method and implit method.
Okay. Tell me
Next
what
one,
is yeah. Tell me what is different between data and database?
data. Data is a inputting from the keyboard. Keyboard is known as data. Data is also called raw facts and figures. Data ever provides any meaning for us. Database means collection of information belonging to particular topic written in predetermined manner to store to particular place is called database.
Okay. What is different between Java and C++?
Java is the object oriented language and C is a
C++. I'm asking what is different between C++ and Java.
Java is a dependent language and Java is an independent language and C++ dependent language. No.
Okay. In your academic, which subject you like more? I think you have in our UG, whatever it may be, undergraduation, that is a degree or whatever it may be, around 5 or 6 semesters is there, right? Which subject you interested more?
Java is a more interested in subject me.
Okay, other than Java?
Java.
Tell me, in your academic, I think you are done in BSc computers, right? In second semester, tell me subject names. Second semester, what are the subjects are there in your BSc computers in your university? Yeah, whatever wherever you are studying in that one.
DBMS, Java, applied mathematics,
Okay.
I don't know. Remember. I forgetted.
Okay, it's okay. Tell me, expand the term CSS. CSS. What is mean by CSS?
Cascading style sheet. CSS means.
Okay, Priyanka, your interview is done. I will share my feedback with my manager. Have any questions?
Yeah, I have selected this job.
Okay.
What type of role in the company?
If you are selected, what type of work assigned to my company,
Work
right?
in this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you are as a fresher, if you are selected, we are not giving any type of work immediately. We will provide minimum 3 months training. After that training, we will assign the project,
Okay.
and then step by step they will provide the work. Okay, based on the project and then technology. Whatever the
Okay. Thank.
training, which subject we are giving the training, based on that subject, they will allocate the project. Okay, Surya.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Okay. Thank you.